Hello everyone. So today I am going to cook ladyfinger or okra or bindi in Urdu. In this recipe, I am going to use okra or ladyfinger, onion, 6 medium size of onions, and lemon, 2 small size of lemon. And if you don't have lemon, you can use lime or calamansi. Green chilies, salt for taste, and chili flakes, and of course oil as well. Alright, for frying. Before cutting the ladyfinger, wash it first and let it dry for a while, and cut it into not too small, not too big size. So just like that. And then while cutting or preparing the lady, preheat the pan with the oil, and once the pan is already or the oil is hot, you can start or we can start frying the okra. And here I made or separate them into 2 pans since I am going to cook 2 kilos of ladyfinger. And once it's medium fried, we can now start mixing or frying the green chili as well with it. Alright, just like that. And let it be fried on a medium or lower than medium, but not too low flame. And let it be fried for 30 minutes in a low flame or not too low flame. And once it's just like this, drain the oil. Next, let us fry the onions in not too high flame as well. Fry it until it got medium golden in color. Alright, just like that, but not to make it sure not to be so dry. It should be like soft. There is still softness in it. And then once it's golden in color, we can mix the fried okra. Right? So once it's all mixed, you can start mixing or adding salt for taste. Half teaspoon I use in here. It's up to you. And then chili flakes, half teaspoon as well, for 2 kilos of ladyfinger. Mix it in a normal speed. Don't over mix. So I mean, the texture of the onions and the ladyfinger will not be spoiled, or it will still intact or nice. So here it is, it's done. We can now add the lemon juice for flavor. And here it is, it's done, ready for eating. You can or we can eat it with roti or chapati, rice with the fish. Thank you for watching. See you again.